Culinary Hub presents a super delicious and healthy chicken and broccoli stir fry. I have kept the ingredients ready. Please check the description section for the details. Chicken breast tends to become dry on cooking. In today's video, I'll be sharing a simple technique to maintain the juiciness of the chicken even after cooking. First, let me chop the chicken breast into strips and cut it as shown. Once the chicken is ready, it is the time to season it with little amount of salt. Then I'll be adding corn flour. Then I'll crack open one whole egg. You can use just the egg white. Then I'll drizzle around half a teaspoon of cooking oil, mix it thoroughly and allow the chicken to marinate for 45 minutes. This technique is similar to velveting the chicken, which locks in the moisture. Then here is a simple trick to maintain the vibrant green color of broccoli and its nutrients as well, even on cooking. What I'll be doing is first cutting out the florets into half. Once the broccoli is chopped, I'll be transferring it to a micro-safe bowl and drizzling it with half a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'll be adding a tiny bit of water and microwaving it for around 1 minute. Then I'll be chopping 3/4 of a carrot and microwaving it as well. For the sauce, I'll take 1/4 cup of low sodium soya sauce and dilute it with 1/4 cup of water. Then I'll add 3 to 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Then in goes white vinegar, followed by oyster sauce. Then I'll add a tiny bit of sugar and a pinch of salt. And for thickening the sauce, a little amount of corn flour, and for a bit of heat, pepper powder, giving it a proper mix and setting it aside. Now it is the time for cooking. I have boiled 750 ml of water. Then I'll be adding the marinated chicken and taking care that it doesn't clump. The coating has done its work. If it comes out, that's totally alright. The stock will be used for thickening the gravy. The chicken is 3/4 cooked, so I'll take it out and set it aside. Then I'll heat a little quantity of cooking oil to smoking hot. Then I'll start stir frying the spring onions. I'll saute it for around 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'll add the chicken pieces. On a high flame, I'll be stir frying it for around a minute. Then in goes the broccoli that I have microwaved, followed by the carrots, which I have also microwaved. Give it a mix, and then I'll be adding the prepared sauce and also include the stock in which I have cooked the chicken. And cook it till the raw smell of corn flour goes away. The sauce is thick and it coats the chicken as well as the broccoli well. To finish up the dish, I'll drizzle a little amount of sesame oil, and this tastes so yummy with steamed rice. For more such interesting recipes, kindly subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.